Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Good evening, and welcome to Electro Drive News. Polestar's latest move has got everyone talking. The Swedish automaker has just released its 4th annual sustainability report, and it's clear they're making huge strides in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Polestar's ambitious plan, known as the Polestar Zero project, aims to build a totally climate-neutral car, and with their latest announcement, they're getting much closer to that target. But what exactly has changed? Well, over the last 4 years, since 2020, when the firm started measuring this metric, Polestar has reduced the carbon footprint of every car sold by nearly 25%. This is a staggering development because designing, engineering, validating, manufacturing, transporting, selling, and servicing cars and trucks is by no means clean. So what's driving these reductions? According to Polestar, using low-carbon aluminum in all their vehicles is one major factor. They've also improved battery manufacturing processes, switched their assembly plants to 100% renewable electricity, made logistics more efficient, and even started using biofuels on certain ocean routes. But the largest contributors to emission reductions are changes made to manufacturing steel and aluminum. Reportedly, creating these materials results in around 45% of the total carbon footprint of a Polestar 2. And it's not just about materials. Polestar is also doubling down on their commitments to cut emissions as they accelerate sales. As Polestar CEO Michael Loscheller puts it, Polestar has shown that it is possible to decouple growth from climate impact. We aim to continue to cut emissions as we accelerate sales. And with the launch of a new research center in Gothenburg, Sweden, known as Mission Zero House, they're taking their sustainability efforts to the next level. Building carbon-neutral cars is no easy task, but Polestar is working tirelessly to make it a reality. So what does this mean for the future of automotive manufacturing? One thing's for sure, we'll be keeping a close eye on Polestar's progress as they continue to push the boundaries of sustainability in the industry. That's all for tonight. Thanks for watching Electro Drive News.